Here I have SONY Xperia XZ2 Compact, and let me show you how to check IMEI and serial number on the following device. So at the very beginning, let me show you how to check the IMEI by using the secret code. Let's use the phone's icon, let's activate the keypad and let's use this secret code *#06#, and as you can see, the IMEI number pops up right here. Let's tap OK to confirm it. Let's go back, and if you would like to get access to IMEI and serial number by using settings, you have to choose apps icon, find settings, scroll down to the bottom of the list and choose system. Right here you need to find and select the about phone information, choose status, and here you've got the IMEI information. Let's tap it right here. You can also go back and read the serial number right here. What's more important, here you've got also the Wi-Fi MAC address and IP address. So that's it, everything went well, thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.